I'm Principal Sheep. Welcome back to our classroom. Today, I'll be teaching about 3D Pythagoras. Calculating 3D lengths using Pythagoras' theorem. 3D Pythagoras is basically using spaces inside of cubes and cuboids are a squared plus b squared plus c squared equals d squared. There's no need to memorize a squared plus b squared plus c squared equals d squared. Just use Pythagoras' theorem and work it out in order. E squared equals a squared plus b squared. D squared equals e squared plus c squared. And d squared equals brackets a squared plus b squared plus c squared. Number 1. Find the length of AG in the cuboid. The answer is dg squared equals dh squared plus hg squared equals 2 squared plus 9 squared, which is 85. AG is AD squared plus DG squared, which is 3 squared plus 85, which equals 94. Since AG must be bigger than 0, AG is root 94, which is 9.7 centimeters. And that is it for today's video. Please like and subscribe if you learned something new. 3, 2, 1.